Hey guys, it's Jenny with Cabbage Patch Rescue. I hope you're having a great day. I'm down here in Xenia, Ohio, which is only about an hour from my house, and I am at the Great Ohio Toy Show. This is my first time here, and I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping to find a little bit of everything 80s and 90s nostalgia. I don't just collect Cabbage Patch, I also like Barbie and Berenstain Bears and Hot Wheels and other things. So I'm gonna go through all the buildings. It's 8 buildings. They're supposed to have about 800 vendors, and I have nothing else to do today, so we'll see what we get into. Thanks. There's a Barbie lunchbox. Let's see how much small stuff
She has the pink one. She was just debating if she wanted to go with the white or the pink. There's a Barbie lunchbox. Let's see how much small stuff here. I am indeed.
The only Cabbage Patch that I've seen.
She has the pink one. She was just debating if she wanted to go with the white or the pink.
very busy, but I'm trying to get footage of all the girl stuff for you.
That's about it on my celebrities.
I don't. I think he should have a tag. I think these are like they're very less because they were the 90s. They're the hot things that are like maybe they look like. Yeah.
I gotta say, out of all of them, they made so far down as far as they like the shoes being the grabby hand guys and stuff. Yeah, they got that as a small. Yeah, you can take her helmet. So I've seen people do it. Her craniums. This one cranium.
Interested in the Ghostbusters car, but I'm not $75 interested. Furbies in box.
Oh, they lost him.
Look at this
Oh, I
thing.
know.
This thing looks cool. There is just stuff everywhere. some pink boxes. No Cabbage Patch stuff so far. I wonder this is like a giant yard sale type deal. Bins are kind of hidden. Full selection of in-box
Sold my updated
Hot Wheels and cars. I don't know about Hot Wheels and cars. So cool wraparound baby. A kid back here, this bionic woman, I've never seen that, but this kid, he's pretty funky. I don't even know, is this a kid? Seems like a kid. Never seen him before.
Something you
Hi guys, it's Jenny from Cabbage Patch Rescue. Today I'm filming my haul video from the Great Ohio Toy Show in Xenia, Ohio, and I'm doing it from my studio, which is a collection of 80s and 90s nostalgic toys from my heart that just I never forgot. So I've been collecting and creating. Soon I'm going to do a studio reveal and show everything. But let's get into it and see what I got at the Great Ohio Toy Show. First off, okay, and I got a deal on everything that I bought. But I'm really into like astronaut Barbie and astronaut fashion. So I got this to go on my astronaut shelf. I'm going to be unboxing her. So she's pretty sweet. She's a rocket scientist, so I think she would definitely have been on the moon. Sure. And I got this doll. I have only so much shelf space. I had this holiday Barbie. I had her in the classic Barbie with the blonde hair, but I think she's beautiful in the African American version. So I had to get her. I got a steal of a deal. I have just one shelf of Barbies for big poofy dresses, and I'm gonna unbox her and put her with, I have a couple other holiday Barbies. And one more boxed doll. And I'd never seen her before. She's Evening Sensation Barbie. And I had a little bit more room on the fancy Barbie shelf, so I'm going to take her out of her box, and I think she's beautiful. She's got this blue outfit on, which navy blue is my favorite color. I got her for $10. I feel pretty good about that. And I ended up getting 2 more solar system type outfits for my solar system shelf. I got the astronaut Barbie, and I found 2 more of the outfits, so I picked up 2 more Barbies. And I only paid $3 each. I was really looking for untraditional Barbies to be on the moon, so to speak. So I got her to go in this. I paid $1 for her. And I'm thinking maybe this one to go in this outfit. So I also got the Peaches and Cream outfit, and it says it needs TLC. It was only $5. So I also found a lady that had loose Barbie shoes for $1, which that's great, because a lot of times you can find outfits on eBay, but they don't have the shoes. Oh, and this was random. This is a food fighter that's in kind of bad condition. I just heard about the food fighters, but my son loves hot dogs, so I really just got this for him. He was very cheap. I got a few more pairs of Barbie shoes and boots and Ken for like 50 cents a pair. And I got Kermit on his skateboard to go with the rest of my little Jim Henson little characters. I have a few of them. I have Miss Piggy up there, so I'll be giving you a full tour of that. So he's gonna be riding high over there. And last but not least, I got the Batmobile from, I would call it the 80s, 90s, my era. I'm a big Batman fan. My husband and I have a joke about what would I have done if he'd have picked me up in the Batmobile, and I'd have been very interested. So this is going to go on my Hot Wheels display. I have a Hot Wheels tree. So I can't wait to show you all my studio. If you like this kind of toy content, I hope you subscribe, like, leave me a comment. Did you go to a toy show? Did you go to this toy show? Have you ever been to the Ohio Toy Show? Would you go? I hope you enjoyed the content. Have a good one. Thanks for coming along. Bye.